Page 177, we have this Dona Nobis thingy. It's in Latin. I don't speak Latin. I speak English, and it's Kansan English to begin. It's just ain't going there. You can pronounce that all you want to. Just talk about this. This is a lesson on harmonization again. So first thing I want to do is I want to figure out what's going on with the melody. Now let's see, this is a 1 flat. We're in the key of F major. So all the B's are going to be flat. And the chords, when I get to them, are going to be the 1, 4, and 5, 7 probably. Whatever. But the melody, I want to hear the melody. So I'm going to play that. 3, 4 time. 1 and 2 and 3. Remember, all the B's are flatted. Reach up. We crawled around a little bit there. Did you notice that? Start with measure 5 again. It's here. And then scratch up. And then we changed again on the repeated A's. Then it reach up. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Reach up. 1, 2, 3. Then 5. Again, we just change hand positions on the repeated C's. Okay, so I get an idea of the melody. I played it out of character. I played it too fast. I don't care. I just want to hear the melody. Then I figure out, okay, what chords are going to go. Well, they're telling you the chord names up above. We have the C chord, and the 4 chord is the B flat chord, which is here, and then the 5/7 chord is the C7 chords. We got the chords, so now I'm going to play block chords. I want to hear the harmony, so I just do block chords here. Now I'm in the way here, so I'm going to come down here. Well, that doesn't work because this is too low. I can't hear the chords very well. So I'm going to adjust it because I want to hear what's going on. So I'm going to play the chords here. I'm going to move the melody up here, just so I can hear the harmony. Then C7. F, C6, and a B flat, that's a 4 chord, F, C7, F, and F, C7, so I can hear the harmony okay. Then I can add their pattern they want. The left hand is just playing the root of the chord, and the right hand is playing a broken chord. And then B7 is here. That's what we're doing. That's all you're doing throughout the whole thing until the end. Okay, because the chords, you get that. I don't have a lot to say on this. We've done this sort of thing before, and hopefully you sort of understand. The idea is you're given the chords names and you can play them on the piano in some fashion. You could experiment on this with the accompaniment, the pattern, try a different pattern. Just understand that this piece is actually a smooth, gentle piece. And so you want to stay, you're not going to do a lot of staccatos and it's out of character for the piece. You got to stay within the character of the style of the piece. But otherwise, you could do some eighth notes if you wanted. That different pattern. It's a nice and smooth and connect. It might work with it. I don't know. I'd have to hear it with a melody for sure. But you experiment and try different things out.